Start this video and in 3,
Ready?
2, 1, go.
It's Bennett's World.
Welcome back to Bennett's World. Today we are going to be brew some slime.
Making some slime.
And here are our ingredients. And please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and give this video a huge thumbs up. And let's get into the ingredients.
Well, I got clear slime because I wanted what it would actually look like because all this stuff.
And now I got purple slime and with glitters in it.
And then I have the coolest slime. It's color changing slime. It turns from blue to purple. I'll show you.
We're using that FGTV thing that we got from.
We got it from
and make sure you watch that video.
And then it turns purple with this.
So it's a girl and a boy slime. What about that?
Okay. So
that.
And then we have some magical liquid Elmers.
So that's basically like everything in one.
Everything in one you need in slime.
Besides the glue.
Besides the glue.
You need glue.
Besides the glue.
So, alright, we're gonna dump our glue in.
Whoa!
Doing it this way. I can't do it this way.
I'm the smart one here.
Goodbye, Cap. We'll see you again soon.
Duh!
Oh my. Mine just looks like water.
Okay, let me take a drink of it.
You should have just started the color one.
I'm making Chinese writing in here. It's the most annoyingest thing I've ever heard. So, you sound like SpongeBob,
But he's getting soaked up.
That's SpongeBob behind the scenes. He just got to edit the song. Like, honey sticking. Ugh.
That's right.
Okay, I got everything. Just gotta stir it up. Now,
Okay, that's all mine.
That's all mine too.
Okay, let's pour in our magical liquid Elmer's glue. Tanner already did his. Ready, Lizzie? 3, 2, 1, go. That looks so satisfying coming out.
Okay, now it's time.
Time to stir.
Mine is already turning into slime.
Mine hasn't even soaked up any of it.
This is turning into slime.
I don't think mine is.
Mine is.
now let's do for the big boys.
Itty bitty boys.
Oh my
Now
god,
it's
look
my
at this.
time.
Look at this. You can.
Oh, this is actually slime, guys. Okay.
Lizzie, you still gotta stir.
Oh, man.
Look at this. It's like,
Okay.
the
Oh,
weirdest
that's cool.
slime. Look at this.
I think I have too much activator.
Mine is already slime. I remember this on the old channel.
It's the same panel as Lizzy Jo.
I hope mine doesn't have too much activator.
Yes, it's so sticky. I'm gonna have to keep it up in the air.
Oh, this is time.
Carter, you should probably. Carter, you should put.
I think mine might be a fail.
I mean, yours is not really like. Carter, you should probably hold it and do it. Yeah, yours is actually one what is not that good. It's like that feeling.
I need somebody to put my sleeve up.
Oh, you already got
And Carter, can you itch my eye?
Okay. Oh, I think mine's a fail, definitely.
Well, mine is not. Look at this. We just have to stretch it out, guys.
What? How?
And then you just see yours. It's like the water.
Mine has too much activator.
Oh, look at my slime. Look it, guys.
This is my slime.
This is my slime.
I think Tanner's might be the coolest.
Oh, Tiana.
Kids, make sure to wash your hands with slime. That's like the best soap. Oh, but your moms won't be happy if it goes in your carpet though.
I think I had too much activator.
Yeah.
Oh, it's falling. Gotta get.
Oh
Mine's the worst.
no. Mine is best.
Look at mine's actually starting to like not stick anymore.
Yeah. But mine is starting
Yeah. Can I get some?
Can I get some?
I want some color in mine because mine's just completely just plain.
Oh, I also get glow in the dark in mine.
Mine too.
Yeah, let's rip this thing
What
out.
did we just add?
We just add glow in the dark Elmer's glue slime.
Mine is gonna look so pretty.
Look at mine now.
Mine's
like,
just a blue mess.
Mine looks like it's a ghost. Mine's not a ghost.
Tanner brewed a ghost.
Yeah, he did. Oh, and mine
Made
is
a little
just
bit
like
of a mess,
white and
but
stuff.
it's
Mine is all clean.
mine needs a bit more activator, I think. But we don't have any more.
Oh.
Who thinks this is a success for me? Mine's a bit stickier than my other creations of slime. But
Yeah.
mine sounds so good. I love slime.
Mine's actually like following with the Halloween theme because mine is a ghost now.
Well, guess
Before it was just a clear.
I'm a ghost.
Mine is a ghost. A purple ghost.
No, yours is like a girl. You still didn't get any of. You still have so much more slime in there, Lizzy Jo.
Oh no.
You didn't use it.
My slimes weren't turning out to be good. Just got it.
Mine's slime almost is about to stop sticking. Yep, look at that.
Oh no.
Same with mine.
Mine is not. I think there's too much activator in here.
Oh, mine's all about to come off my hands.
Ghost.
Oh, look at this. I see some like blue like sparkles in it. That makes it look so cool. And the right stretch it.
Mine got so much.
Mine has such a
sparkles.
satisfying sound. Come hear it, Lizzy. You hear my satisfying sound? Ready to hear it?
Oh no.
I have such a satisfying
Oh no.
Hey guys, listen to mine. You guys.
Yeah, mine's definitely the most ghost. Yours is not really. Yours is like a ghost, but like, yours is like a ghost.
Mine is trying to stick off.
Oh, now it's going on my shirt.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Can't have that
That's your
happen.
favorite shirt, too.
Just me. I gotta fling. Oh my god.
You just have to play with it so it can just like get off you. Mine is not getting off of me. It's almost off of me, but there's so much. Mine is coming off.
Cause all of it. Oh, look at Lizzie's. Lizzie's is like a light purple.
Mine is so pretty.
Yeah, I like Lizzie's.
Cause it had
I thought mine was gonna be a fail. Oh, but guys,
Does
look.
it still fail?
Mine is coming off, guys. Oh no. Oh yes, it didn't stick.
There's it.
Oh, that feels so good.
Surprisingly, mine is barely even sticking anymore.
Mine is just letting it get all of it off.
Mine's like a all we need is a broken bone.
This is to play Halloween.
This is yeah.
Mine is just like a purple mug.
Wait, no.
question.
I got a good name for this thing. We can call this the ghost slime. Ghost slime.
Here's one question. What are you guys dressing up for Halloween? Tanner, what are you? Think of it.
If I had to dress up, either be the crash dummy or
A big baby?
maybe might be a Fortnite person or a watermelon.
Okay, Lizzie, what are you gonna
A
be?
watermelon.
I'm gonna be a zombie cheerleader.
And I'm going to be for Halloween Spider-Man Far From Home red and black suit.
Oh, man, this is so sticky.
This is my slime.
Mine's all cut off, actually.
Well, mine is gonna
Yours is not even sticking to your hands
No.
anymore.
Look.
I wish mine did that.
Well, mine is almost done.
Cause I got
Wow.
one. Yeah, the
Who
reason
likes my glove hand?
the reason
Wait,
mine
look, I'm Thanos.
the reason mine is not, the reason mine is sticking to my hand is because a bunch of this stuff I didn't get all of it.
I'm not getting any of that. Well, it just feels so satisfying whenever you take slime off.
Yeah.
I want to try making fluffy slime.
You
Yeah.
already did.
Okay, guys, we're turning out the lights. Oh, mine does.
Mine does.
Mine.
Look at mine.
No, this is that.
Mine glows in the dark. Look.
Wait,
Mine goes into the.
I'm gonna go in front of it. And, okay, mine's the third one. Mine's right in front of yours.
Whose was the coolest in the dark?
I think it was mine. Mine is trying to come off my hand. Yeah. Oh no! I got it in my jar. This is what I'm gonna wear for Halloween.
This is the best slime.
So this is my slime. Well, I like it because it looks like a ghost, and it also goes in the dark. Because if you didn't see, that's what it does. It's really like, sticky. You can see because that's, and it used to be clear, and it turned into, it was a clear blob. Now it's a ghost blob.
Okay, this is my slime. What I really like about it, it glows in the dark and it's really stretchy. And I like it because it's just like so soft. And look at that, and you can just make little holes. I just really love it.
Okay, this is my slime. Here's two things I really, really, truly love about it. Number one, its color changes from blue to purple. Okay, and then our next thing is that it glows in the dark. And then my next is because it's so stretchy. Thank you guys so much for watching us brew our slime. And if you want more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below,
And we see you in our next video.
Bye! It doesn't stick onto my shirt. Look.
I want to sit here.
Oh, look at me.
Nope.
I'll stick it to your shirt. It's on. Go.
Guys, this is my slime. It's a light purple color and it's glittery. Even it glows in the dark, of course, because like we just gotta go on the dark slime in it. Even it's just like so soft, and you can get holes in it, and it's just like so much fun. Even it's shiny with the glue. It's just so shiny. I really love it. This is my favorite slime now.